Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Uh, in previous video, we showed you the detail sheet and the notes uh, which are supporting uh, to some figures. It's just a concept I'm giving, and this the developer can use this concept in anywhere in their programming career, and it is going to be very helpful that you can attach uh, the reason sheets uh, telling all the breakup of any figure. So this is the concept which I'm sharing with you, and uh, let's go to the purchase order number 14, which we have used as an illustration. Yeah, so we have these much. This is the detail of the purchase order to this end. It is being approved, and it is now. It has certain extra charges like shipment fees, that is carriage and corporate, etc., or transportation, and these are $200. So how come? What is the breakup of these $200? Is that you that is shown when this thing appears, means if it notes you have a number, it means you have some supporting document telling you the detail of these 200. So let's double click it, and this is going to bring you the further detail of these $200, that how they are being done, and what vehicle has been used, what is the number of the vehicle, who was the driver, etc. So this is just a concept. So that is going to help you in the audit procedure, and in case some supporting documents are required, so you can hook up, you can connect your supporting document all over your modules, and even in the sales you can employ the same, because there are also some charges, some taxes involved uh, while invoicing something to the customer, right? So so that detail sheet can be given as a support document, right? And further, we have may get some more intelligence in it, that if you want to further break up uh, a particular amount, so for example, this 50 it still have a certain breakup, so you can just double click on it and you can split it. Right? So let's press 2 that you want to split it. Okay, so splitting is the next question. How many parts do you want it to be split? For example, we just want in 2 parts, 25, 25. Okay, so we have that. So it is now asking the first amount. Okay, right. So second amount, that's it. So it has split it. It has split it. The $50 has been split it into 25. Fair enough. And if you want 20, 30, so, and you've forgotten that you have to, so you can still go to the edit. You can still go to the edit, make one as a 30, the other as a 20. So that makes the 50. So let's double click on it. So it is saying that you have to save the changes first. Okay, we save it. Say yes. So it is saved. Okay. The saving shows that this is disabled. It means it is saved, right? Okay, let's make this 25 as 30. Okay, so we want to edit it. So press 1 for editing. Yeah, and it is now getting all the input that what edit you want. So just click OK, OK until it reaches to 25. 25. Make it 30, let's say. Yeah, we have made it 20, 20, 20. That's fine. Okay. So we have made it. Now this has to be done as 20, so to make it 50, right? Okay. So if you try to edit it, it will say that please pending changes have to be saved first. Okay. These are saved. Ready to save. Yeah. And now let's double click on it and make it 20. So edit. Okay. So it will again loop you around until all the fields are covered. So we are waiting for this 25 to make it 20. By 30 and 20 will move 50. That's it. Okay. Wonderful. So this is how it is updated. Now you save it. That's okay. So this is how it is done. Done, and you are now you have made the breakup. You have made available the breakup of the 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 shipment fees, right? With all these information. Okay, so to see what code arrangement has been done, it is of course double clicking, nothing else, right? Because we are doing double click and then the things are coming. So what we do, we go to uh, the Visual Basic editor, right here, and here we are going to go see the double click. This is the double click event, right? Normally you go to uh, 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 the Visual Basic editor and you go to purchase order and you do double click, right? When you do double click in here, sorry, you have to, yeah. Then you have this menu in which it shows as soon as you select some item, it and gives you these options. One is added, two is split. And when the choice is two, so here comes what we are doing for her. So it is opening the file. This is how it is opening the file. Whatever the file is there, so it is being opened, and then it is getting from you that how many items you want it to be splitted, right? So so that is an input box. So you see the input box in here, and if you see, means it is first of all getting the which column. This is amount column. What is the amount column? So the amount column may vary, may be in the second column, maybe second, third, wherever is the total amount column. So that becomes the amount column, right? This is amount column, right? So the amount column will be 4 or 5 or whatever number, right? And then the amount is taken, and later on it is now being splitted by the number of the items which you have done. So, and then it is going to offer you the split amount. If the 15, so it is actually uh, dividing it in as number of columns you want it, as the rows you want it. So, so that's how it is calculated, and it is adjusting each time when you are splitting, right? So once these are the loop is completed, how many splits have you? If you have two, so that 2 times it will go, and that's how. Yeah. And later on, it is going to refresh the notes sheet, and it will mention you in a message box that is splitting successfully completed. That's it. So this is how it is done, and this is a concept I have given, Hopefully, the programmers will find it very useful, and they can use this thing to make this system um, more useful and more credible, and giving more details uh, and uh, satisfying in the end user's requirement. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in our next video.